Hey everyone, I have a good and a bad news. No, fuck no. I have two good news and one bad news. And let's start with the bad one. The bad one is that Blue Snap stopped working with Shopify. It's been like 2 weeks or something. They had some troubles and they removed Shopify. It was among the partners in here, and I've been in touch with the team, and they told me that it's from Shopify's end and they are working on it to fix it. And now let's go to the good news. The good news is that for Shop Genius, as I told you in my previous video, I negotiated with the developers one offer for you for until the 31st of March with $100 off. I was able to renegotiate with them, and now I've got for you, let's check. When you use my link, you get to this page, you have $90 off. So you pay basically $39 instead of $129 per month. So in case you're interested, you'll find the link below this video, and the other good news gonna be I keep it for the end of this video. So this video is more for people who are about to begin Shopify or at a beginner level, because people come with some expectation and the reality is different. It's like when you go in with some Tinder girl on a date and you have some expectation and then it's not like the expectation. So in this video we will check 7 expectations that people have when they are jumping into dropshipping and e-commerce, especially for this year 2018. And the first one is people think that to start they need a huge investment. And the thing is, you don't need a huge investment. What you need is around $250 to $300 to $500, because all you need is some starting money to test products, and like $50 could test one product. So $250 you can test 5 products, and those products gonna bring you some sales that you will reinvest after. And Shopify plan is $29, and you can get the first month for free. I have a video about this. And what else? Like $500 or $250 is just perfect to start. You don't need millions. And the second thing is that people think that they are gonna make sales with the very first product. The reality is different. Like, you can be lucky. You come and you put some random product and you bring some traffic and you start making shitload of money. But it's not the case most of the time. And I also see some people, like, they just go and see some product trending and they take these products and put them on the store, like the fidget spinner and all these things that we see all around, and expect to get some sales. It doesn't work like that. Product research for me, it's more than 50% of the success of dropshipping business. As we say, half of the marketing is the product itself. So you need, like, personally, I can spend up to 2 nights, 3 nights, 4 nights just looking for products and going through a process and validating or revalidating to make sure that if I put it in front of the right audience, I'm gonna bring those sales. Alright, expectation numero 3 is that people think it's some autopilot. Like, once you nail it, it's set and forget and autopilot, and you leave like the ads and everything will go automatically. You have some virtual assistant doing the job and things like that. This is not true. It's like you have to work on your business at least once every 2 days. Like, if it is stable, once every 2 days you have to go to check the ads, to see if you're not losing money somewhere, to check if there is not a lot of refunds, if there is not. You have to monitor, like, the virtual assistant, check the post if nothing bad is happening with it, because it's the first contact that you have with your customers, the post on Facebook. You have to keep on doing product research. It's not autopilot. It's not set and forget. Like, there is some work, but when you make good money, it's worth it. Trust me. Like it's a really good salary for that little work. And number four is that I see a lot of people who are just beginning, trying to make the store perfect. Like, oh, I need to have some nice logo and like 40 products and many categories and blah blah blah. Man, you don't need this. Like, seriously, a store can be up and running in 24 hours. You just put some random logo, you make it on some website like Canva, and you list like 6, 7 products, and then you're good to go. It won't take more than 48 hours maximum. Seriously. So it doesn't have to be really perfect. My very first store was like shit, and it was bringing $2,000 per day, $1,000 per day. It was, even the logo was shit. It was just like the Verdana typo on on some white background, and it wasn't like, seriously. I wonder how people were buying from it, and it worked. Like, if you have a good product that people want to buy, they will buy it. They will buy it. They don't check. Like, I've noticed that 60% of the traffic I get on my stores, they never visit the home page, for example. Like, they go, they check the products, and then they move forward to the checkout, or they leave the page. Expectação número 5 is that people think it's a business to make an extra 1K profit per month, or $500 extra per month, or $2,000 extra per month. And I came to this business with this mindset because I was into Amazon FBA, and I was making some good money, but not as good as what I'm making with Shopify. But back then, I've seen it like that, just one extra stream of income, just to generate one extra $1,000. But it was like way more than this. The thing with dropshipping is, once you find your winner, it will take you time, but once you find it and you start scaling, man, limit is the sky. Like, you have to aim for at least $10,000 profit per month, at least, because once you nail it and you understand how works everything, and Facebook ads and the whole process, it's just a scaling game. So if you were able to make $1,000 per month, like, you will take it easily to 2,000, and from there you will have more cash flow to scale more to 3,000, and so on and so on. Just a scaling game. Numero 6 is that people think it's something easy to learn. Like, once you learn Facebook marketing and all the apps that you need and how to set up the store and everything, then you're done. It's not. Like, it's continuous learning, especially like recently. Facebook is changing the algorithm every fucking day. Every time there is some new thing happening with Facebook, every time. And things are changing. In online business in general, you have to be continuously learning, like every day. Make it a discipline every day. And number 7 is that also I see some people thinking, like, once you break the 2,000 per day or 1,000 per day, then you are good. Like it will be less work. You just go chill and have some coconuts on the beach or something like that. But trust me, it's where the real problems start. Like once you move from 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 per day, it's like tons of stress, because there is many variation. Like, imagine the payment processor block your money, PayPal take your money, and you have to pay the provider, and you don't have how to do this, or PayPal or to check out freeze your funds. Or just one really stupid thing that happened to me recently. Like, I just want to take one of my ad accounts from the limit of 2,000 spending per day to 5,000. So I've contacted the support of Facebook, and like, I told them, hey, I want that my threshold go up to $5,000 per day spending. And what happened is that they blocked my Facebook account to investigate, and before giving me this before upping my my spending limit, and it took me like 48 hours or 3 days or something like that, and it wasn't expected. And like you're waiting and checking your Facebook, and once they started again, it was burning the money. Like I remember it burned like something like 1,500 or something just in from just in 3 hours or something like that. This is without talking about in case the dropshipper send you like a batch of the product that is not working properly, and it happened to me. Like it was something like 400 units or something, and they were not working, and were like support was going crazy, and you have to manage these things. Like you have to deal with this kind of stuff. It's true that you make shitload of money, like you have very good money, but you have big problems too. Like Notorious B.I.G. say, more money, more problems. Right, guys? So just one last thing. This might sound a little bit scary or like a nightmare or something, but I just want to be real with you, and I want to share with you like the real things. And this is the reality of dropshipping. And trust me, it's worth it. It's really worth it. Like you wake up in the morning and you have something like 3,000, 2,000 profit. Man, it's life changing. Like you can have a badass lifestyle, you can have people around you, you can invest in things. So it's worth the hassle. It's a bit hard in the beginning, but once you nail it, it's worth it. Right, so that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please thumb up. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because there is a lot of content coming. And now let's pick the winner of ECOM Elite Accelerator and the access to the mastermind, as we said on my previous video. So let's start. Alors, I have content, I just need advice, please. They have. Okay, so I will answer this question, and then we move, because you didn't, like, the rule is sharing the name of a movie, and you didn't do this, so you're not winning. I just need advice. I want to start easily affiliate. I think I already answered on the comments. Pick another winner. Start. Geek Gamer, great video. My favorite movie is Mad Max. Okay, so Geek Gamer, please get in touch. So I give you access to my course ECOM Elite Accelerator and to the mastermind, and you can also add me on Facebook. Anyway, I will leave my email below this video, and get in touch. The other good news is that I'm offering 3 coupons for ECOM Elite Accelerator, and you get the course and the mastermind and access to me to help you and mentor you for 100 instead of 197, you will get it for $97. So it's only 3 coupons. You will find that below the video, and you'll find also the page with all the details. And as we say in French, premier arrivé, premier servi. First arrived, first served. So that's it for this video, and see you on the next one. Cheers!